video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced notification system into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just need to scroll down over here. Now click on this link. Now you will redirect to the Tebex store. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the .pack from here. Now open the file. Then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. From here, you can configure the appearance of your notification system. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And over here, this is a command to test the notification. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's test the notification which we have installed into our FiveM server. For that, just type /test notify. So this is the notification type which we get over here, as you can see. Over here, when you type /notify settings, you will get the notification menu over here. Through this, you can customize the whole notification system. From here, you can customize the size of the notification. Over here, you can change the animation for your notification. Over here, you can customize the theme. From here, you can customize the color according to your use. And you can change the icons as well. You can adjust the neon effect from here, and you can adjust the opacity from here, and as well as you can adjust the width. You can customize the style of each and every individual notifications from here. And now in the layout section, you can customize the layout for each and every notifications over here, the maximum stack for the notification, and the spacing as well. So now let's test the notification over here. As you can see, now let's test the notification all together over here. As you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.